With the likes of Coco, Frozen 2 and Encanto, Disney has proven how highly they view the late November spot for their big animated movies. This year's feature is the grand sci-fi adventure Strange World, but is it quality? Or is it a strange viewing? Here's the review roundup. First up is Barry Hertz of Globe and Mail, and he stated, "Families with young children and lots of time to kill might hang on to Strange World for the simple fact that it is the only family film currently available in theaters aside from the months-old Lyle Lyle Crocodile. But most everyone else is better served by rewatching, say, the Indiana Jones films or Journey to the Center of the Earth, all now available on Disney+, or simply waiting for the next Pixar film to come along." Next is Peter D. Bruges from Variety, and he stated, "Clearly inspired by the spirit of Jules Verne and H.G. Wells, writer and co-director, Key Win concentrates on the father-son dynamics between these characters. There are environmental themes too, obviously, which set up a big third-act twist, but the movie's organic message, instructive without being preachy, comes down to teach your children well, and you may wind up learning from them in the end." We move on to Lovia Gyarkai of The Hollywood Reporter, who wrote, "Strange World succumbs to vague aphorisms to hammer home an already well-conveyed lesson about environmental catastrophe. This is most apparent near the end, when the Avalonia crew, a small but mighty force that includes a character voiced by the unfairly funny Karen Soni, treks deeper into this region. The film anxiously circles this point, as if viewers might miss it if it's not reiterated in redundant ways. The end of Strange World comes together as one would expect of a Disney offering, but there's a sweetness to it that may move even the most committed cynic." As for Brian Truitt of USA Today, fans of pulpy 1930s and 40s heroes such as Doc Savage and Flash Gordon will dig the over-the-top action vibe, yet, Strange World is extremely modern in its themes. It taps into real-world issues of conservation and sustainability of natural resources, and there's a strong sense of inclusion. Ethan's a biracial gay teen, legend makes up for a missing leg with boundless energy, and the most welcome aspect is that it's all pretty normal. As part of a decently consistent Disney animated run, the family-friendly film offers an escape that's not that strange in its ability to satisfy. Moving along to Carlos Aguilar of The Wrap, near the end of this quest, as if the film weren't already overflowing with familiar tropes about familial relationships, the folks behind Strange World try to link the self-discovery that the three clade males undergo to better navigate their estranged and/or evolving bonds, with a hopeful environmental note about being open to change, even if there's discomfort in the process. Yet for all the wonderfully weird entities and world building, with the adorable Splat being the standout, the filmmakers are unable to cohesively merge the fanciful tone with the overbearing precepts they seek to impart. In the end, the film amassed a critical score of 75% from 63 reviews on Rotten Tomatoes. An okay score, however, with the voice cast on hand, as well as the stellar visuals/animation, it's a little disappointing. Nonetheless, with it being the only animated family film this holiday, it might be just enough.
Are we?
For more animated film reviews, check out the DC Super Pets Review Roundup. And please, like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.